Hello everybody and welcome to Every Shade of Purple. It's your girl Siobhan and today I decided to do a tutorial on how to do palm twists. This is my friend Stephanie. I love her locks. They are beautiful. She just had a little bit of new growth and I just want to show y'all how to quickly take that down so it's nice and tight and right. Stay tuned, pay attention. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, so we're starting off with her hair damp, so I just washed it. I'm also going to clear up the parts. I don't have to do too much of that. Her parts are pretty good, but just clear it up. I spray it with some leave-in / water because I like it to be very moist when you do it. It's just easiest that way. So I put in a little bit of product that's called Loc N. It's actually really good and it's beautiful for your edges. Okay, rub that in there. Now I'm going to take my right hand and then I'm going to put my left underneath. Then I'm going to roll in the right with my right and roll left with my left. And that's it. Now that was really fast, but I got you. This next one, I'm going to slow it down so you can see what it looks like. So once again, just clean up the parts just a little bit. Put some Loc N in there. Okay, caress it through. And then here we slow it down. I'm going to put my right hand above left. And whoosh, pull down. You're going to put a nice little grip in there, kind of not too tight. And then you let the friction roll. So roll your right hand above your left. And then it just goes just like that. And look at it. Ooh. Okay, usually I take off some of the excess. I'll do that in other ones. This one, I don't know. And then usually I just take a clip. Okay, the double prong clips. I like to put more than one in a clip, obviously, because you need something to anchor it down. So once again, looks like I'm running out of spray a little bit. Okay, spray it down. Put some of the Loc N in there. Okay, and then you're going to put that right hand over left, slow it down for you again, and you just roll it. Now, if there's some, random fluffy, furry hairs, what I like to do is just go around and twist it all the way down so those hairs don't stick out. But for the most part, all that is taken care of. So I'm going to do it one more time and then I'm just going to let it play. I'm one of those people that gets, gratification from seeing from beginning to end. So I'm going to let it play. Once again, look at that. Quick. This really cuts the time down. I don't know what I was doing before palm twists. Obviously, you can't do it with really short hair. But if the hair is long enough, get them palm twists in. Okay? And also just to add, in case you haven't gotten it, you put the hair in the palms of your hands. Because I feel like that might be a question, but that's why they call them palm twists. So you put your right palm over your left and you roll your right. You don't even have to move your left if you don't want to, but you can roll your right to the right, left a little bit to the left, and boom, you got them twists. All right, enjoy the show. Meet you back at the finish line. So now we're at the almost finished product. I've got all the clips in place. Her hair's still a little bit damp, so what we're gonna do is sit her under the dryer. I like to not put heat on the hair, so if it were a day where she didn't have anything to do, I would just have her just leave them clips in and take them out the next day. But since she got somewhere to go, we're gonna sit her under the dryer for however long it takes to get her hair nice and dry. And we're gonna pull out the clips and you gonna see what you get. Look at that scalp, Jesus. Ooh, ooh, it's tight. Ooh, she did good. They're good. That good. That hit it good. Go ahead, give it a little shake, girl. Let the people see. Ooh, turn around, give it a little shake, girl.